Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video, we will see how to configure Eclipse IDE with Python. So there are two steps. The first step is to install Python on our systems, and the second step is to install PyDev plugin in Eclipse. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel you can get videos related to automation testing, manual testing and programming languages as well. So let's start with our today's video. So first of all, we have to install Python on our system. For installing Python, we have to go to our browser, and in the search we have to write install Python. Now we have to go to this link www.python.org. So it will take us to the downloads page. So here the download button is present, download Python 3.8.3. So this is the latest version of Python that is available, and when we scroll down there are other versions also present. So I recommend you please do not download this 2.7 version because it is at the end of life, and the support for this version is also stopped on 1st of January 2020. So apart from this, any version you can download, and when we click on this download Python, the python.exe file will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded. So this is the python.exe file by which we can install Python on our system. So we will open it by double clicking. Then we will select this option, add Python 3.8 to path. So this will add the Python to our environment variables. Then we have to click on next. Then we have to select the directory on which we have to install Python. So in the C drive, I will install Python in this folder. I have created a new folder Python. So I will select this one, and then we will click on install. So it will take some time and the installation of Python will be complete. So now the installation is complete, and then we have to click on close. So now we have to check that Python is installed in our system or not. For that we will have to go to our command prompt, and in command prompt we have to write Python -version. So if the Python is successfully installed in our system, it will display the Python and the version when we hit this command Python -version. And if the Python is not successfully installed on our system, then this output will not be present and it will display an error. So it means we have successfully installed Python on our system. Now the next step is to install PyDev plugin in Eclipse. We have to go to our browser, and in the browser we have to write download PyDev. So we have to go to this link www.pydev.org. So this is the official website of PyDev plugin, and here there are different options for installation are displayed. First one is the standalone installation, installation as plugin. So we have to scroll down, and we have to go to this URLs for PyDev as Eclipse plugin, and we have to copy this URL of the latest version which is present. So we have to copy this URL. Now we have to go to our Eclipse, and in Eclipse we have to go to help, then install new software, and here we have to paste the URL that we have copied from the browser. So as soon as we paste the URL, the modules are displayed. So we have to select this one PyDev, and the other one is PyDev Mylin integration. It is optional, so we will not select this one. We will only select PyDev. Then we will click on next, then again next. Then we have to select the terms and conditions, and then we have to click on finish. Now it will start installing the plugin in the Eclipse. So as you can see here, it is displayed installing software and the percentage of installation process. So it will take some time for complete installation. We have to click on install anyway. Now it will ask you to restart the Eclipse. So we will click on restart now. Now it will close the Eclipse and it will restart the Eclipse again. So now the Eclipse is restarted. Now we have to check that PyDev plugin is successfully installed on the Eclipse or not. So for that we have to go to this window and we have to select preferences. In preferences we can see PyDev. So it means PyDev is successfully installed on Eclipse. If this PyDev is not present here, so it means there is some issue due to which PyDev is not installed on the Eclipse. Then now we have to click on this arrow, then we have to go to interpreters and then we have to go to Python interpreter. So it will automatically search for the Python version that is present on the system and it will display the location as well, the location of python.exe file. In some cases it does not automatically fetch the Python details, so for that we have to click on this config first in path. So when we click on this config first in path, it will start searching for the python.exe file on the system, and if it got the python.exe file, it will automatically link it with the PyDev Python interpreter. Now if I click on this link config first in path, it will display an error that auto configurer could not find a valid interpreter that has not already been configured. So it means the Python interpreter that was present is already been configured on the Eclipse, right? So we have to click on OK, and now we have to click on apply and close. So now PyDev is successfully installed on the Eclipse. So now we have to create our first Python project. So for that we have to click on this file, new, and go to project, and from here we have to go to PyDev and then we will select PyDev project, and let us name the project as automation, and then we will click on finish and we will click on open perspective. So now the automation project is created, and inside this automation we have to right click on the automation and we have to create a new package. So for that we will click on this PyDev package and let us name the package as demo and we will click on finish. So a new package will be created inside this automation project, and now we have to create a new .py file. For that we will right click on the package, go to new, and we will select PyDev module and let us name the .py file as test and we will click on finish. So this is our test.py file in which we will write our Python code. So for now we will simply write a print statement. We will write hello world. So this is a simple print statement in Python. It will print the hello world on the console. So for execution we have to right click, go to run as, and then we have to select Python run. So now the execution is complete, and in the console you can see the statement hello world is printed. So it means we are able to successfully write Python code in Eclipse. So these are the steps for configuration of Python in Eclipse IDE. The first step is to install Python on our system, and the second step is to install PyDev plugin in Eclipse. So I will give the link of both of these URLs from which we can get Python and from which we can install PyDev on our Eclipse. And from the next videos we will see how we can use Selenium with our Python code. We will see automation with the help of Python and Selenium WebDriver. So please do subscribe for the next videos, and if you like this video then please hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.